What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in the Toyota Prius Prime. So let's get started. First, we're going to open the glove box, and there's a little latch over here, and we're going to disconnect it by just sliding it to the right like that. And then we're going to push the side of the glove box to the side so that it unlatches. And then we're going to do the same thing for the left side of the glove box. We're going to push it to the right, and then the glove box should slide right down. What we're going to do is we're going to pull on this tab over here, and this cover should pop right out. Now we can pull this filter straight out, and note the direction where the arrow was pointing. It was pointing up, so we're going to install the new filter the same exact way. This filter is extremely dirty. Over here, I have a brand new OEM filter, so let's take it out of the box. If we compare this to the old filter, we can see a huge difference. This one is extremely dirty, and this one is extremely clean. With the old filter out, we can pull it out of its housing. And then we can install the new filter in the housing. And then we can install it. To install the filter, we're going to grab the filter housing and make sure the arrows are pointed up. Then we're going to insert it. And then you want to make sure it locks in so it doesn't move around. And then we can install the cover. And to do so, we're going to first start with the left side and make sure the tabs go into the holes. And then with the right side, we're just going to push in, and then it locks into place. To finish up, we're going to push the glove compartment forward so that these tabs over here go into place. And then we're going to grab this latch over here and then lift up the glove compartment slightly. And then we're going to push it into place when we hear that click. And then we are done. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.